Alrighty, Dan, here's your 347 small block Ford. Good description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Pro-Am manifold. Holley fuel management. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end on it. Got the rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,800, 373 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 420, peaks horsepower 490, rated 500, front end on it's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull the bike back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things to receive your engine. Find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number from motor spec. That engine number will be the way for us to look you up, flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.